Let this one come off. Spring onion, 700 naira. So this to one for this. Getting to the market, what I spent, salad things cost 1,800 naira. So this is this is 1,200. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got back from the market. Guys, so Indomie, I can't remember how much this was. I think it was 4.8. Here is everything we have for soup things. We have pan, we have water leaf or bitter leaf. This is ugu. This is ugu. This is oporoko stockfish. This was 700 naira. So this 215. I think this is water leaf. I can't remember how much. I want to make bitter leaf soup. I normally make this ofe onugbu. That's bitter leaf. I put bitter leaf, water leaf, and ugu in mine. This time was 1,000, but she gave me for 900. This is for more. So this is this is 1,200. This is for Ofe Day. The Igbos in the house, you know this soup, Ofe Day. So this is dried powdered cocoyam. I don't actually like going through the stress of pounding the cocoyam and putting it into the soup. So I prefer using the powder, and oh my goodness, you guys need to taste my soup, like it's out of this world. This is my favorite soup. Actually, the soup is actually my favorite soup. Ofe Day and bitter leaf soup. So that's what I'm making. This is dawa dawa. This is ogirisi. That very smelly ogiri for soup. Okay, this is water leaf. This water leaf was I don't know how much it was. Maybe roughly 1,000 if I'm not mistaken. This is 1,000 naira water leaf. Honestly, I wish I knew what this was. I think this is ugu, the extra ugu they added for me because I wanted more. Here we have what is this? Macaroni, golden morn. I just recently fell in love with this. This is Quaker oats, so the kids take it as well. I put 1,000, that's 2,000 naira for this. Getting to the market, what I spent was an additional 1,000 naira, so this to 3,000 naira. Then quickly and hunger. This for my friend. This is spread for bread or whatever, like bread. Then I actually use it as like a protein in my daughter's food when I make pap or whatever, or this thing now. I normally put it inside as the protein inside. I saw gala and I just had to now. Can you imagine gala that used to be 50 naira? All my gala fans in the house, people will know 50 naira. Now gala is 200 naira for one. It's well. Spaghetti, beans. These are just okay. These are some fruits. These are just a few fruits. Lemon. Everything here is for salad. This is green beans, green pepper, carrots. These spring onion. Salad things cost 1,800 naira. It's almost like spending ×2 of what I used to take to the market before. Like the amount of money that I spent today, if you carry to the market, I will buy this quantity I bought now in 2 places. This is morning fresh. Okay, I forgot this. This is washing stove. I can't remember how much this was. I think 2,200. If I'm not mistaken. This is morning fresh washing. Then the bean bag. This. Shaving cream, toothbrush, and sanitary pad. Last one, finish. guys, that's it for now. I'm about to prep the things for the soup, so I'll try and carry you along if I don't forget, at least when I'm making one of the soups at least. Okay, so let this one come off. Whoosh. It feels so good. Ripping off wig when you come back is one of the greatest blessings you've ever had. So I'll see you guys later. So you guys can see I'm boiling the this is the pomo and the okporoko, and I'm using this smaller gas because the bigger gas takes a lot of time, so this smaller one is faster. So I'm just starting with a clean pot. In this pot, I'm first of all going to turn in the stock from the stock fish and the pomo. Just turn in the stock and any other meat water you have. Add your onions, then season it with salt and seasoning cubes and your seasoning powder or whatever seasoning you want to use. Then I'm adding my ugiri, very smelly ugiri. This is like local Maggi. Then I'm adding water, enough water, to it. I let it boil a bit. Then this is my cocoyam. I will mash it and put a little bit of red oil inside it, and then here I'm just turning it into the boil. Okay, so but at some point I noticed that the cocoyam was not melting properly inside the soup. So what I did here was I turned it into a container and put a little bit of the hot liquid into the container and used it to mash properly before I turned it, like melted it properly before I now turned it back into the soup. Then I cut my bitter leaf, just a little bit of bitter leaf, into the soup. Okay, after which I gave it a thorough stir and allowed it to boil properly, and there you have it, your cocoyam soup, which is so delicious. Thank you.